Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, May the 23rd, 2023. We have here three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the Three Stars Sudoku, the Four Star Sudoku, and the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. We have two Jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock, in Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. In these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles in the additional. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But now, let me start with these 3 regular puzzles. And the first one I will solve is the 3 stars. Yeah, let me start with the 3 stars puzzle. The 3 stars puzzle number 8582. 8582. Let me clean the lenses. Okay. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 26 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because it's indicated with 3 stars, should be at 2 stars. 2 stars puzzle has always 26 printed digits. For 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. For 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. 3 stars has always 25. This one has 1 digit more. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. We have 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So last column, there are only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, there are only 2 places left. 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1, 1. Cannot continue with the 1 now. Need to wait. Well, the 2 in this row. Third row. 2 in the second row. So the first row, there are only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column. First column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2. 2, 2, 2. Cannot continue with the 2. 2, 2. Yeah. How about the number? 8, 8. 4, 4. 4, 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, now only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left, the 4. A should be there. We need a 4 here. 4, 4. 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the last row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 in the row above, so no 4 in that box. And we have a 4 in this last column, so no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should there. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column 3. No, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the first row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the second column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is 1 and 4. Can I go back to the 1? Yes, 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 1. How about need a 2 there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this row should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9. 9, 9, 9. 9, 9. 9. Cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. How about 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7 in this big square. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 in these 2 boxes. Yes, 7 in this column, no 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 7 in this last column, 7 in that column, so the column 3. The only place left for 7 should be there. Then 2, no, yeah, well, 5 and 2. 5 and 2 and the 3. Yeah, 3 here. 5, 5. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8. And the could be an 8. 3 missing numbers in this first column. One of the missing numbers in the first column is number 3. We have 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in the first column should be there. So 2 numbers left in the first column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be in the 6 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 8 in this big square should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 in the row below, no 8 there. The only place left for 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row, so the first row, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is the 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 2 in the third column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and 7. We have a 7 in the third column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in the third column. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in the last row, 3 in that row. So the row between. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so the last column, and only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, we have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then 6 and 5. 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing here. Oh. 2 in this column, last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. And the 7 and 8 and 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 9 in this column. 9 in that column. So the column between. And the middle column. The only place left for 9 should be there. 9 in the first row. 9 in the third row. So the row between. The second row. The only place left for 9 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, so the third row, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between, the middle column, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this column. For number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 1 box left in the first row. For number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 to 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, 15 to 20 minutes for 2 stars. 0 stars because I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. So, well, please with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.